Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am here with the new script of Binance Trading Digital Platform. This script is completely trending and new in market, and this is completely like Binance clone. If you want to buy this script from us, contact on WhatsApp. WhatsApp link in the description below. Click the WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp. I will give you this script at very low price compared to market. In this video, I will show you a complete demo of this script and I will show you step by step how you can trade here. I will show you a coin wallets of the scripts. In this video, I will show you how you can change your website from admin panel and how to control website from the admin panel. First of all, here you can see a beautiful homepage of this script. You can also modify this homepage from the admin panel. Here are the light button. You can also light this script from here. So here are the Binance latest news. You can also see the latest news of this script and also modify here. Here you can see a crypto of this script. You can also go to trade and also start your trade from here. Here are the BTC USDT coins. User can also start trade from here. You can also modify this section from the admin panel. Here the price, here the last price, and get submitted here and go. You can get submitted to your account and go to the trade. Here are the beautiful trade section of this script. You can also modify this section from the admin panel. So here I choose Binance. 24-hour sports service, Prime membership, Binance community, and Binance Academy. How to invest? First of all, sign up your own Binance account, then verify your account, then deposit or buy crypto, then trade here and get started. Here are the cryptocurrency of Binance: BTC, Ethereum, USDT, BNB, SOL, UCG, and all the coin is here. You can also get trade from here. You can also modify this section from the admin panel. Here are the ultimate product of Binance Trading Digital Wallet script. Here the trade section, cryptocurrency and Binance affiliate. User can easily start affiliate program from here. Here the currently question of this script. You can add your own question from the admin panel. User can easily read and solve their problem. Here the subscribe latest news of Binance Trading. You can add your own social media links from here. User can easily contact with you, and you can add your Instagram link, Telegram link, Facebook and Twitter link. First of all, I will log in this website. So here I am login with my admin panel. So click the login button. Here we comes now in our dashboard. You can find anything you want. Here the active users, total users, email unverified user, mobile unverified user, total trade, total currency, total cryptocurrency, and all other things you want. Here are the manage order of this script. I will show you trade history of this script. You can also sell buy this script from here. User can sell and buy this trade from here. Here the manage P2P. Here are the payment method of the script. You can also see the payment method of the script and also add your own payment method from here. Click the name, slug, currency and color of your payment method and I get submitted here. I will show you a running trade of this script. User can also buy this trade from here. Here the manage currency of this script. You can see a cryptocurrency, BTC, Ethereum, USD and all other cryptocurrencies here. You can add your own new currency from here. You can add your name, symbol, sign, price and P2P sign and get your picture. So get submitted here. Your cryptocurrency is successfully added. Here you can add your own cryptocurrency from here, Bitcoin, symbol, sign and you can get submitted here. Your cryptocurrency has been easily added from here. Here are the manage market of this script. Here the coin pair of this script. You can see the coin pair of this BTC, USDT and all other things you want. Here the new pair of this script. You can also add your pair from here. Here the deposit section of this script. Here the all deposit of this script. You can see the all deposit you want. Here the withdrawal section of this script. I will show you all withdrawal of this script. You can add your own withdrawal from here. Here are the system settings of the scripts. I will show you first of all extra the version of the script, update of the script, and application cache from here. Here the update of the script, this script is 2.2 version, latest version of the script is 2.2, and this script contain cache. You can also clear the cache from here. Here are the server of the script. You can see a PHP version, software, IP address, server protocol, and HTTP host from here. I will show you a system setting of the script and show you how you can change your website from here. Here the general settings, you can add the title of the script, time zone, and change the name of the script from here. And get submitted here. Your general setting has successfully added. I will show you a payment method of the script. You can see the payment method of the script. You can add your own payment method from here. Here are the payment method of the scripts. So I will show you logo and favicon from here. Logo and favicon. You can also change your logo and favicon from here. Here the logo and favicon of the script. You can also change this logo and favicon from admin panel. From here, get the picture here and get submitted here. Your logo and favicon are successfully added on this website. So I hope this video is very useful for you. If you want to buy this script from us, contact on WhatsApp. WhatsApp link in the description below. First of all, I will show you system setting again, and here you can see the charge, manage frontend. I will show you manage frontend of this script. You can see the account recovery, account verification, and all the things you can see here. This website contains all the things. Here are the withdrawal methods, here the chart setting, here the wallet setting. I will show you a wallet setting of the script. You can also enable and disable from here. Your wallet setting has been updated successfully from here. I will show you a report section of the script. You can see a transaction history, login history, notification history, and this is version 2.2 and latest version of the script.